Good morning. We are heading into the office. It's Monday, so we had a good productive week last week. We got a lot of stuff done. So today I have the office all day, and then this evening I have volleyball, and then tomorrow I got work. And then after that, I'm going to go help my brother-in-law at his house. Him and my sister, they've been building their house for about 1.5 years now, I want to say. Maybe close to 2 years. But anyways, built their house, almost finished. Looks beautiful. I'm excited to see it finish. So, yeah, busy week. All right, here's sounds up here. What's up, dude? Back to carpeting, huh?
Oh, yeah.
Gotta do what you gotta do to pay the bills, eh?
That's right.
What up? We're on lunch break, so I am running up Micro Center. I don't know if I mentioned it already or not, but I bought a brand new graphics card for the computer. I bought a 4070 Ti Super. Still rocking a 2080 Super. I wanted to go for the 2080, but trying to save a little bit of money. I've been having some issues with my computer for a little while, and I thought it was my motherboard, and now I'm starting to think maybe it's my graphics card, because I'm also having issues where like now a monitor just turns off randomly, and I had to restart the computer to get it come back on, so I'm pretty sure it's a graphics card now. So, going to pick up this new graphics card, 3070 Ti. I'll get that installed probably tonight. I'll throw it in. And then I'm thinking tomorrow when I get the SSD drive, I'll probably redo the computer, reinstall the operating system. And I'll also that's when I'll probably do like all the different USB devices and basically redo everything, reinstall Windows 11, all of that stuff. Do that tomorrow, but put the new graphics card in tonight and test it out when I get home. It'll be fun. That's pretty cool. Actually, the funny thing is my laptop over there, the gaming laptop I have is an Asus TUF. And it's actually been a pretty good laptop too. I'm liking the Asus stuff lately. I bought Gigabyte and Gigabyte, motherboard and graphics card. I'm not sure if I'm loving them. It's the first time I've ever had an issue. Hey, Inception. Me, recording me, recording me! Upgrade, agree and continue. Heck yeah, let's do it. We upgrading, yo! We upgrading, ya! Alright, so everything seems to be working thus far. We'll see how the computer runs. Well, it's installed. The camera's about to die. I kind of forgot you guys were there, but I will probably turn everything back off, reinstall the panels, put everything back, and then like I said, we'll have till tomorrow to get that hard drive before we gotta do anything else. I do want to like download and get the USB flash stick and stuff ready tonight. Not that I have to. I guess I could do that in the morning sometime. Alright. Is this me?
Thank you. Oh, there's crackers in the cover.
Oh wow, now you know.
Want me to get them?
Well, I just left my parents. It is 5 p.m. I ended up eating some food with them, then ended up sitting around chit-chatting forever. All right, well, we got to get back to the house and figure out, get this computer done, start that, clean the office. Once we get those two things done, try to do that quickly. We can record the 2 videos real quick. We'll see where we're at then, if we have a little bit of time to maybe do some gaming or not with the new 4070 Ti Super. Well, I'm not looking forward to this actually. The more I'm looking at it, I think I'm gonna have to like completely tear apart my cable management. So yeah, that kind of sucks, to be honest, because that means I'm gonna have to redo it all. I don't even know if I have black zip ties to redo it all, which means I might have to run up to like Big Lots or the dollar store and get some more black zip ties. And then we still gotta clean the office, 5 o'clock. I spent way too, I shouldn't have went and got lunch there, but I was starving and it was homemade food and it was, okay, it was worth it. It was worth it, I'm not gonna lie. I'm sorry I let you all down, but it was good soup, I promise. Oh yeah. We got some compressed air. However, they did not have any zip ties there. So that's unfortunate, but we do have the Velcro ones, which honestly I'm kind of down for anyways. A visible white blast means the product is dispensed improperly. Do not shake, do not shake. I always have shaken these, and I've always blasted even with the stuff coming out. I'm dumb, dude. I had no idea. I say all that and then I'm still spraying for long. And I'm shaking! Alright, so that's on there. So now we put on the side, right? Which would be this side. Booyah! This would probably do better. It does do better. Look at that, Derek. Use what the Lord gave it. New drive, new drive, new drive. Where is the new drive? Where is the new drive? Where is the new drive? Yo, look at this beauty. Look at this beauty. It'd be hard. I know, there's no light over here. I'm sorry. Show you guys the finished product when I'm done now. Well, we got her back up and running good, getting everything reinstalled. Ended up taking way longer than I thought it would. It is 11:42 p.m. I'm about to clean the office. I'm about to clean it tomorrow. I'm getting ready to go to bed. At least we got it done.